Hey guys! Today I will be making a leaderboard in Roblox. The final script will be in the description. Before we start, make sure you have view and properties enabled. Let's start! So first go into Server Script Service and create a script. Ignore the other script, it's from my other tutorial. Name it leaderstats and delete the print statement. Now write this. So here we basically get the game, and we get the player service, which consists of all players in the game. Here you can see them in the list. Then we wrote player added, which is an event that gets called when a player joins the game. Then we connect that to the function and we create a variable called PLR, which is the player that joined the game, basically the player that called the player added event. This line basically creates a folder in the game. But this folder is just created. We haven't told the script where to exactly put it. The folder can be put in a lot of services like replicated storage, server script service, workspace, etc. Before we do that, let's make this folder a variable and let's give it a name. I assigned this folder to the variable leader. It also needs to have the name leaderstats without capital letters for it to work. Now here I parented the folder to the player itself. There's two ways of doing this though. You can do it like I did right now, or you can do it by putting the parent after you create an object, like this. Now we need to create values. I will create the value coins, and I will put it inside the leaderstats folder. We need to create a number value, and here we parent it to the leaderstats folder, and we also give it a name. Let's test this. As you can see, it works. You can also make the player have more coins when they join. You just have to set the value to the number of coins you want the player to have when they join. And it works. If you want to make another value. For example, I want to make a wins value too. You just need to do the same thing like you did for the coins, like this. And as you can see, I have two values now. You can also make string values, which are basically words instead of numbers. Here I made a title value, and I set the starting title as beginner. There's a lot of values you can choose from too. Like the int value, which is almost the same as a number value, but it only stores whole numbers, while the number value stores decimal numbers too. There's the bool value, which can only be true or false, and many, many more. Now, I know some of you have seen how in games, values exist, but they're not directly displayed on the leaderboard. To make that, all you have to do is rename the leaderstats folder to hiddenleaderstats. Yes, it really is that simple. The values do exist if you look into your player. The only problem is that when the player leaves, the values don't get saved. So when the player rejoins, his progress will be lost. To prevent that, we need to make data stores, which I think is a topic for another video. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped you understand the script and helped you with your game. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment what you want me to cover next.